guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys can't already tell, I am having the same makeup look as my past two videos, but I just wanted to film an intro and outro because you guys won't be seeing my face when I'm showing you guys my makeup collection. But hi, my name's Tatiana, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, wow, English is supposed to be my first language, but I don't know, we're questioning it now. But, so today I'm showing you guys my huge makeup collection. I have the Alex 9 drawers, and I'm absolutely in love with them. I have way too much makeup, but I wanted to show you guys it because I thought it'd be interesting because I love watching his videos. So if you want to see this video, let's get right into it. Alright you guys, so this is the top of my Alex 9 drawers. On the top of my Alex 9 drawers, I have my skull head that I got from Loblaws. I love skulls, and I just love how it's bedazzled. Then I have some Polaroids of my sister and I, my boyfriend and I. Then I just got some perfumes that I use daily. Behind it I have this little, I don't want to spill it, but like just this oil diffuser. And then I have my Polaroid camera. And then I just have this like candle holder from Bath & Body Works, so just like a nice little home decor thing. And then behind it, you guys will see I have this little holder that holds like my sunglasses, some perfume, jewelry, and just like some hair elastics, nothing really, just I put it on top of there because I don't have that much storage in my room. Alright you guys, so going to my first drawer, first of all I do my Alex 9 drawers kind of by the way I do my face daily. So going into the first drawer, this is like my foundations and concealers. So I know it's kind of looking messy, but I have two little headbands going on right here, so I actually can do my makeup and have my hair pulled back, so I'm just going to put those out of the way for now. So if I show you guys everything, I have my Real Techniques Beauty Blender here, and there's a method to this madness, trust me. So pretty much everything on this side is all my light foundations, and everything over here are all my dark foundations for when I self-tan. And in the middle, except for these foundations, these are all of my concealers. So I guess and then behind here, obviously, those are my primers. I know it's a bit messy, but I swear you actually pull it forward a bit and then you can actually see stuff. So first, I know I have way too many foundations. First I'm going to go here. I have like a new sponge because my Real Techniques Beauty Blender is looking really rough, so I'm going to take those out for you guys. Then going back here, I have like pretty much all of my primers that I have right now. So I just have like this Hourglass one, this e.l.f. one, this like Magic Lumi one, another like Lumi one, the Bright of the Days one, like NYX, got some Dr. Brandt going on, and then I have like another like foundation brush one of those like kind of really dense like kind of paintbrush ones. So everything that I apply my foundation with I actually just put here, so I'm going to put that back. And then on this side, obviously, I have all my light foundations. I know it's crazy, I have a lot, but they're just, a lot of them are not like high-end, they're drugstore, and I just love drugstore ones, and I have like multiples of the same ones. So I have like the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, I have like the Ready Set Gorgeous, I have like a billion of these, as you can see there's a ton over here. I also have just some cream, but then I also have like my Fit Me foundation, but I have like two of them. So whenever I go on sale, I kind of just get them. Then I also have like my Wet n Wild foundation that I absolutely in love with. I've got my, I got my e.l.f. one. Olay BB cream. See again, I got like more Fit Me ones. I know, I'm insane. Then I got my Marc Jacobs one. I've got my IT Cosmetics one. I've got my Maybelline Superstay one that I just did a video on that I love. In the middle here I have all of my concealers, so obviously I have multiple ones of my favorites. So I have like my Maybelline Fit Me ones. I know it seems crazy I have so many multiple ones, it's just like a few of them I'm showing you I'm almost out of them, so I like bought a new one of. So like one of these was almost out, so I bought a new one for like when it runs out. Then I have like my NARS Creamy Concealer, I've got my Wet n Wild Concealer, an e.l.f. Concealer, I've got my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, I've also got my Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, I've got my Maybelline Age Rewind one, my Tarte Shape Tape, I've got my Eye Triple Remedy by First Aid Beauty, and then I got this Pro Concealer by LA Girl. And on this side is where all my tan foundations are, so pretty much I have all my tan ones. So again, I have another headband, I just need to have my hair back. So on the tan side, I have my Wet n Wild foundation in my tan color, I have my L'Oreal True Match in my tan color, and then I have literally three of the Ready Set Gorgeous CoverGirl foundations, and I have them all in like 3 different shades, just so I can mix and match when I do tan. Alright, so in my second drawer, again, kind of a method to my madness. So I have my highlighters, my blushes, my bronzers, and my contours. That did not make sense, but yeah, so pretty much over here I have 2 airspun powders. I've got my Laura Mercier Air Loose powder, then I got some other like dense powders. Got my e.l.f. one. I've got this Maybelline Fit Me bronzer. I've got my Jeffree Star highlighter that obviously doesn't fit in here with the highlighters. I've got all my blushes in here, so a few of them are like my Milani one. I've got the Tarte one back here, back there, and then I've also got this like fine one by Benefit. Over here, it's kind of like a mess, but I kind of know where everything is. I've got, so obviously the Jeffree Star one. I've got like my contour stick. I've got my L'Oreal Infallible kind of like duo. Got my Wet n Wild duo. Back here I got my Butter bronzer. I've got my Maybelline Fit Me, where I don't know the top is. I know I need to clean this up. Then I've also got my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. And it's kind of hard to show you guys because it's not really clean, just because a lot of them are too big to actually put into little sections. But it's pretty much just highlighters, blushes, bronzers, contouring, and then also all of my loose powders. In the third drawer, I've got some eyelashes. So whenever I go out, I like do eyelashes. So I have ones that I have from Rose Gal, I've got some e.l.f. ones, I've got some other Rose Gal ones, Wet n Wild ones, and all that shebang. I've also got over here some tweezers, like multiple tweezers, like 3 tweezers over here. Lash glue, definitely gonna need a replenishment soon though. Then over here I have Q-tips, because I always mess up my makeup. Then I also have brow stuff, so I just have this like brow like extender thing, and then my Benefit Gimme Brow number 3, and then some spoolies just to like brush out the brows. Then over here I have all my mascaras, so I have like my Maybelline Great Lash one, got my Better Than Sex one, my Tarte Better Than Lashes one, then I've got my Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and all that shebang. Alright, so in my fourth drawer is my lip drawer, since that's the next thing I do with my face after it's all fully done. So in here there's again just like there's some samples I put in here where I get from Sephora. I also have just like in here my lip liners, and then I just have like all my liquid lipsticks over here, and then just some glosses, more liquid lipsticks, my MAC lippies, and then just more lippies back here. I just love doing like different colors. My ColourPop ones, I've got some Kylie ones and stuff like that. There's nothing really to see in here. I don't really know how to explain it. Just my lip drawer, and just has lots of lipsticks and matte lipsticks. Alright, so my fourth drawer has like all of my eyeshadows and stuff. So pretty much I have all of my eyeshadow brushes here. I pull this bad boy out and I decide what brushes I'm going to use. Then I just have some like miscellaneous eyeshadows when it's not like an eyeshadow palette. So I have some NYX colors here, more NYX colors. I've got those little like Aqua Makeup Forever guys. I've got my like glitter shadow thing by, who's this by? Oh my gosh, you guys. It's Bastila. I've got my Urban Decay primer potion, then I just got those like small little guys going on, but yeah, that's all to see in there. In the next drawer, pretty much this is like my eyeshadow palette drawer. So over here I just have this like really, the 500 point thing, so I'm just going to take that out, but that's where I could fit it. In here I have all of my eyeshadow palettes. I'll go through it pretty quickly. Pretty much I have like my Naked palette, that's right here. I've got my Subculture palette, Modern Renaissance palette. I've got the Sephora Glitter Shadow palette. I've also got this Too Faced palette. I've got this little Travel on the Go palette. Then I got my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I've got my Kylie palette, Anastasia Glow Kit, Natural Love, and then my big eyeshadow palette from Rose Gal. Then back here I have all my setting sprays, so pretty much I have like my e.l.f. ones. I've got this oil that I just got randomly. It was like $5, not bad. Then I just got more setting sprays. Back here then I have all my perfumes, just like the little spray ones, and then my Lady Million by Paco Rabanne, my favorite perfume. And I always spray that before I go out, so pretty much when I'm done my face after doing eyeshadow, that's what I do. Alright, so the last 3 drawers is obviously not makeup and my cactuses and everything on the ground, but I just want to show you guys anyways how I organize them. This one's pretty much where I keep my contacts. I have like some hairspray and some makeup brush cleaners. Then I got some nail polish back there and then some makeup brush cleaner like little placemat things. So this is kind of like a basic drawer, just another storage drawer. Down here is kind of my miscellaneous drawer of like jewelry and like costumes. So I have like this visor, I have my old costume from not Valentine's Day, my costume from Halloween. I have a few candles back here. Then I have some like hoops and just some like chokers. Then in the last drawer I just have some like stuff that's extra. So I have like extra cotton pads, I've got some crusty white strips, I also have some like traveling stuff, so like travel hairsprays, I've got my self-tanning things, like an extra roller, I've got some self-tanning stuff, some sunscreen, and just some like travel stuff, so I like to keep that down here for whenever I need extra stuff and all that. Alright you guys, I hope you guys liked that video. I'm obsessed with makeup, if you guys can't tell. Have way too much of it, but can't stop, won't stop. But if you guys liked that video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you guys want to see more videos from me. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!